has travelled to Anglesey to play with his cousin, Leah, again. Both are very excited. They had great fun last time, but it's stormy outside and everyone is very busy. Luckily, Bob the sheepdog is around to keep an eye on the children. I hope these two behave this time. Oh no, where are they going? They know they shouldn't go outside in this weather without the right clothes. Yes, let's go outside, says Tom. Oh, good idea, says Leah. But it's dark. Get yourself seen. Wear these high-vis vests, please. Do you want to play with the lambs? Says Leah. I'd love to. I love fluffy little lambs, says Tom, as they rush into the lambing shed. No, those dangerous chemicals should be out of children's reach. Never go into the lambing shed without an adult. Nice one, Bob. How about giving a hand with the calves then, says Tom. I like helping Dad on the farm. Me too, says Leah, as they run to the cowshed. An angry cow is about to kick out when Bob arrives. Oh no, little children should never play around cows and their calves. Nice one, Bob. Slowly and carefully, he steers the children back out of the cowshed. Thanks, Bob, says the cow. Says the calf. Phew. Bob hopes he can have a nap now. But no, the children still want to play outside. Hey, says Tom, is that the farm quad bike out there? It is, says Leah. Let's climb up onto it. They run towards the quad bike. Bob jumps to his feet after them. But is he too late? The children are up on the quad bike in no time. What does this button do? Says Tom, his finger hovering, ready to press it. Bob jumps onto the handlebars and gives the children such a fright, they jump off immediately. Phew. Nice one, Bob. Oh, my life. Nice one, Bob. It's been so windy, part of the roof has come off the shed. It's being fixed, but somebody has left a ladder behind. I love climbing, says Leah, and puts her foot on the ladder. Bob barks furiously and runs like the wind to pull her back. No, children should never climb ladders. Phew, nice one, Bob. Pippa! This is where little children like Tom and Leah should be on days like this. They both play happily and safely, and Bob can, at long last, have his nap. Oh, what another busy day.